afternoon, I'm gonna make a escabeche. In English, sweet and sour fish. So, it's already fried. And the rest, watch and learn. This is my red snapper. And then, frying the red snapper. Make it sure that you season your fish with salt and pepper. That's, or you can wrap it upside down. So the fish should be fried one side at a time until golden brown. So here are my ingredients. My fried red chopped onions, minced garlic, my ginger cut into stripes, my tomato sauce, my vinegar, my bell pepper, my carrots, cornstarch, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Alright? So next is the final cooking. So you have to fry quickly the minced onion, garlic, and ginger. Like sauteing, yeah. Voila. Make sure you don't burn it. Then add carrots, bell pepper, stir it. You have to stir it. Very fresh bell pepper. So you see, my onions, they're not burned, just good enough. Yes. And then add vinegar, add the dissolved cornstarch, add a sugar, and my tomato sauce. I use the tomato sauce because I don't like to use the ketchup. The Filipino way, they use ketchup. Next, simmer it until sauce thicken while stirring occasionally, okay? So you just stir it occasionally. Maybe I have to lower the temperature, okay, just simmer it. Look up here. So you have to pour this one on your fried fish. Look up here. this fish in the oven because the fish is already cold, so I want to make it sure it's, it will be warm again when, And then put this thing in the oven, maybe just like for 5 minutes. So now the fish is already inside the oven. I have to like bake it for 5 minutes. So here's the finale of my escabeche, or my sweet and sour fish. Look at that. Wow. Right, so looks yummy. Now we're gonna try the finished product. Try. Right. Yummy. Smells good. Wow. Right? Kamayan. Sarap ng kanin. Wow. Again. This is real. Not too sour, not too sweet. Just good na. My escabeche. I could finish this one. Grabe na. This is good. Okay. Try out. Wow. This is good, hon. Alright. Very healthy. Sabana subscribe later on. Perfect. And some vegetables. Yummy, delicious. Fish.
Wow.
Escabeche, or sour, sweet and sour fish. Escabeche, or sweet and sour fish. You're gonna try this, baby, okay?
Okay.
Yes, this is so yummy. Mommy cooked this one. escabeche with tomato sauce. Yes. In the Philippines, they use ketchup instead of tomato sauce. Liquor. Delicious. Wow. The real kamayan. Yan.